Hello there. So Dr. X is an ICE open network project that will be having their TGE on 4th December 2024. Yesterday they asked their users to link their applications to their Multiverse X wallets. And in this video I want to take you through the process of linking your account to the Multiverse X wallet. So first go to your Play Store or Google and download the X Portal app. This is how it looks. It's, with a blue logo and a black background at the back. So after downloading the X Portal app, open your Dr. X and click on the Multiverse X address. It's shown there below after the referrals tab. Scroll down to tick the box, then click start to proceed. So after clicking that, you'll be given a few tasks to complete, of which you're going to complete them accordingly. So from there, they are requesting you for your Sunwaves verification in the first step, which you are supposed to click to go to your Sunwave application, then copy the code that they ask you for. So to do this, go back to your Dr. X app, or rather go back to your Sunwaves application, then click on your profile, then click on settings and copy your verification code on the settings tab. Then go back to your Dr. X app and paste your verification code on the given space that they have provided. So if you don't have Sunwaves account yet, you can use Play Store or the Apple Store to download the application and sign up so that you can get the app. So this is a check to see those who cheated, those who claim to have completed the task but they never participated in the project. So you have to participate in every project that you claim to have participated in the taskbar. So after verifying Sunwaves, below you'll need to follow the same steps in the third as in the first project to complete your Fluent verification. So with ICE projects, they all have the same interface except for the color. You'll find that Sunwaves has red, Fluent has blue, Dr. X has blue, pink, or rather, yeah, they are different except for the color, but the display on the app is all the same. It's everything the same. So you need just to follow the exact steps to verify your Fluent application with your process to link your Multiverse X wallet. So you cannot skip any of these tasks. You have to do them all, each and every one, and make sure you have completed it, because you cannot proceed to the next step before completing the first one. So after the Fluent application linking, you will need to also to follow the same steps to link your SealSend verification code, which is asking for the same process. And SealSend is ICE open network project, so the interface is just the same exact for the red color and the blue background, like the blue on Dr. X. So you'll just need to follow the exact same steps to link your wallet, which are just going to your settings, then going to your profile, then clicking on settings, then copy the verification code and pasting it on the space bar given provided for the application. Then after SealSend, you'll need to also follow the same steps in the third application to link your CryptoMayor verification code. So CryptoMayor also is an ICE open network project that is compulsory for you to participate in, for you to get the tokens for Dr. X. So you need to participate in this. If you're not participating in any of this, you'll need to download the applications, then sign up, then in order for get the link and link it to the Dr. X platform that you are trying to link with the Multiverse X wallet. So still, I hope you can remember we have not touched anything on the Multiverse X wallet. We are still on the first task. So after linking up the crypto mayor, you'll proceed the fourth task, and these are you'll have to click on the copy icon and post on your X account. So after that, after the first task is verified, there is a second task where you will need to verify your X account. So you'll need to copy the given text. As you can see, there's a text and there's a copy icon there. So you need to copy this text and post it on your X account. Then copy the link of the post on your X account and enter it below on the box right there for you to get verified. So after copying and linking the X post, you need also to put your Telegram username. After now completing this X verification step, you will need also to verify Telegram. So you'll need to put your Telegram username and proceed with completing the other Telegram associated tasks, that is joining their Telegram application, joining Ion Telegram account or other channel, and the rest. So after completing now the Telegram verification, now you'll proceed now to the distribution sector, whereby now it's, although we are still in the distribution, now you'll proceed to one of the last stages, that is CoinMarket verification. You'll need to add ICE to your watch list. So for CoinMarketCap, you can link it manually. You can do it manually, then you can submit the links. Just open your application, then come at the bottom right here, then search ICE Open Network. ICE, just search ICE. You'll be given a list of networks. So to complete the first task, just click on the first ICE there, then come back right here, just star. They tell you to star the ICE. By that you have added it to your watch list and it is confirmed. Then scroll down and come right here. Then here is where you add the comment. How do you feel about today? You can just click there, then post something about ICE, then share the link. For myself, I think I've posted something about ICE. Let's see what I posted yesterday. So I did a post yesterday about ICE on CoinMarketCap. I think they deleted the post because they were on a deleting spree yesterday. That's what I can see. So just do that and copy the link and submit it to your to your ICE Dr. X linking platform. So after that, you can come back to follow the application. You can just where you already typed ICE, just scroll down and you'll see where there's communities. I think there's communities. Yes, community right here. Just click on community, see all, then you will see community categories. So you will see ICE Open Network right here, then you can follow them. I think I've followed them for myself, and that's all. So that's how you complete the CoinMarketCap application task. Then submit your links via the Dr. X platform. So after this step, now you'll be done. You'll be taken to the last step, whereby you'll need to open your X Portal app. That is the wallet. Then copy address. Then copy your personal address. Then go back to your Dr. X and link it. So with people are having an issue with the X Portal wallet, so what you'll do is that you will first have to create account. Then you'll go to your profile right here. On top you have a profile page here. Then on the profile, there's at the bottom you'll see there's a tab for main wallet. Just click on the tab of the main wallet and copy it, then come back to your Dr. X application and paste it right there, and that will be done. So you'll have be done with that. So you'll be ready to get your tokens via X wallet on these application we call X Portal. So that's it, guys. Up to this point, I think we are good to go. If you have any question, you can just ask through my comment section and I'll respond it promptly. You can also join my Telegram application for more crypto updates, gems, and also some tips on how to farm airdrops and the best airdrops to participate in. So don't forget also to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll appreciate your subscription. Thank you so much.